From Port Antonio to Kansas City, hotel dancer turns TikTok influencer. Mello Vibes tapping into his colorful past to post reaction videos.
Okay, so you're gonna repeat whatever I say.
No.
Repeat whatever I say. Not now.
Not now.
Okay.
Melvin Gray's the name, from Port Antonio, worked at Sandals and Rio Resorts as a dancer.
It was the best job ever still. It was the best job because you get to play with the guests and get paid for that. So basically you're just getting paid to play.
But the pay not great, so Melvin got married, migrated and now has his green card. Lives in Kansas City, which is more affordable than Maryland, where he was before.
So I do reaction videos, but now I'm moving on to a bigger scale. So I'm doing promotion now.
What are reaction videos?
I do like young artists, upcoming artists. I react to their videos in a unique way.
But why would people find that interesting?
Because the controversy. I'm saying Vibes Cartel is not like this. Vibes Cartel can't do this. And you know, Vibes Cartel can do it, but people is gonna say, I rubbish in my talk. So they're gonna argue in the comment section and that's gonna boost the algorithm so more people see it.
But aren't a lot of other people doing that too?
No, they're not doing it like me. They're just following. I'm gonna be like, listen. So when you say listen, that catch them. So, listen this. Wait, what is? What? And cuss two bad word in it, but we can't cuss a bad word, I tell you so.
Yeah. It's just a kind of vibe you create.
Mellow Vibes.
So what reaction got you the most views?
It's a reaction from Africa. Our African girl singing Shaggy, It Wasn't Me.
And what, that just blew up?
Yes, 15 million views.
Be a true player if you know how to play.
Yeah.
If she say a night, come if she say a day.
True.
Never had me to a word that she says.
No time.
And if she claim I tell her baby, no way.
Never me.
But she called me on the counter. It wasn't me.
All Africans start tagging me and following me. And then Shatta Wally start following me. His audience say he accept me, so they will accept me too.
And of course, one thing led to another.
That's why I move on to music. So I will do a tour in Africa too, because that's where all my fans are. So the music, we're gonna kick it off. And we just got a brand deal at Sun City. So that's a good move.
So no, you're a DJ?
Yes, I'm an artist. But I would just keep it in the entertainment field. I would just call myself an entertainer.
But can you even hold a note?
I can hold a
Or
note,
it
but not the
doesn't matter.
singing, but DJ. Yeah, like DJ, I can DJ.
You just belt it out?
Yes.
How many of these reaction videos you do on a weekly basis?
I do 6 videos per day, so I think over 50 plus per week. I do reaction videos 1 year straight, non-stop. Never miss a day. One day I miss and the Wi-Fi was gone.
Reaction videos make you money?
Yes, a lot of money. A lot, I'm telling you, a lot of money. Because I will charge like $300 the least for a reaction. But my reactions are free because when you surprise someone, they feel more like it's good. You don't have to pay for it. So that's the reason why my fan base grow that big, because most of the reaction is free. YouTube pay me, so I don't worry about the cash, but some Jamaican, they cannot wait, so they pay the money.
You drop some lyrics, you drop a couple tunes. How do people react to you?
I think if I didn't have a platform, it would be harder. But it's easy now because I have a platform. As soon as I drop something, oh, this is bad, I don't even know if it's really that good for them, but they say it's good.
Somewhat less enthusiasm for Mello Vibes, the DJ from Jamaicans.
As me I said, them not support you. That's the reason why I go Africa. Them not support you because the African people will say, oh, my stuff are international because a Jamaican is reacting to it. But because me a Jamaican, the Jamaican people, them say, oh, I'm Mello Vibes that. We don't want to see him. Them just feel like them entitled, like me have to do stuff for them do stuff for me. Them not gonna say Mello Vibes are going good. And me should have been like Mello Vibes, you know.
Oh, why you say that?
I just saw Jamaican think. The mindset where them have. That's how they grow up.
What is it about your personality that worked in the first place? Why you think people bother to pay you any attention?
I think it's my laugh. So when I laugh, everybody else have to laugh.
Melvin wasn't laughing for long in July on his first homecoming visit since leaving in 2023.
I got rapped.
$6,000 in cameras and mics taken from a motor vehicle plus another $7,000 in cash.
We went to see Busy Signal at 12 Tribe. So we went in, we had a few conversations, but my mind was telling me, let's go.
Too late to save his stuff.
I want to say, if I could get back the memory card, that's the main thing. That's the only thing I would want. The cameras, we can buy back the camera, but that memory, you cannot buy that back. I put it out in the media. I am a popular person. They're saying, oh, I'm not IShowSpeed, so nobody cares. So I start looking at them different because they treat IShowSpeed different than how they would treat somebody from Jamaica. So they should treat me better than how they treat IShowSpeed, because I will be like IShowSpeed soon.
You have no doubt about that.
No, I'm not asking. I'm telling you.
Is there somebody out there doing what it is you do that you look up to, you want to be as big as that person?
IShowSpeed. I look up to IShowSpeed.
Why?
Like Mr. Beast.
Why? Why Mr. Beast?
Because they help people. I want to be able to walk in my community and just say, I'm going to give you a house. I want to be able to do that. And I'm aiming for that.
Are you a fan of anybody here that you would love to meet?
Yeah, man, one somebody alone would I want to meet, but him not there Jamaica, Alkaline. Alkaline lyrics grab me. And Alkaline is just like me. So he throws shades just like me.
At the end of the interview, Mello Vibes mentioned a track called Fraternization from his upcoming EP, based on his exploits as a dancer at Jamaican hotels.
You know, I like the girls them, so the white girls them just look good for the beach, swimsuit, and I had to do it.
Did that come with a monetary reward?
Yes, a lot of money.
So you were paid?
Yeah, they paid us for our service.
So you were kind of a gigolo?
Yeah, kinda.
And you're happy to admit that?
Yes, I'm not gonna hide my truth. Most of us at the hotel do it. If you're not scared to lose your job, you will do those stuff.
And you're doing it because the money comes in handy?
Yeah, you get like $100 tips. You get, if you do it right, you get like $100 tips plus what you charge them.
It doesn't make you a little bit queasy admitting that on television?
Nah, it's my truth. Remember, it's my truth and I already did it. So why am I gonna hide it? So it's just a normal thing. Everybody do it. Most people do it but don't want to admit it, so I'm admitting it for you. If you fraternize with guests at the resort, I am saying it like this.
Right now, no need to fraternize to pay the bills. Mello Vibes says he has the most followers on TikTok of any Jamaican content creator, 3 million, 5 million across all platforms. He plans to move to New York when the time's right.
People laugh off of me when me just start. And me I say, watch all them a laugh. No, they can't laugh.
But don't forget the memory card.
So just call the number on the screen, 3099766. Call it on WhatsApp. You don't have to tell us who, just send the memory card back. If they bring it back, we're gonna give them a reward.